Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About the square root of x, I can put into x to the power of 1 over 2. Next, we have the formula in here. So we can apply this formula for this one, this one, this one, and this one. So for the first one, we have x to the power of number 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Similar for the next one. So we need to simplify. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.